Good morning guys, welcome back to my grammar channel. In previous class I started figure of speech. In that simile and metaphor both are used for a different thing comparison. The difference between both of is the simile is used like and as for comparison, whereas the metaphor is used for direct comparison without using like and as. So today I am going to start a new topic, that is personification. Personification is a figure of speech in which a human quality or action are given to non-human things. That means non-living thing object has given the human quality as if they are speaking or they are listening or they are doing any kind of movements. So let's see the example. The wind whispered through the trees. So here the wind has given a human quality and the wind is whispering through the trees, is doing some kind of human qualities action. The flower dance in the garden. So the movement of the flowers has given the human quality as if the flowers dance in the garden. The sun smiled at us. The brightness of the sun, it shows here the sun smiled at us, giving the human qualities to the sun. Opportunity knocked on the door. The opportunity has given again a human quality as if it comes to our house and knock the door. The wind howled in the night. So the wind is making a sound of human qualities in the night. The rain tapped on the roof. So rain has given the human quality, given some action as if it's tapped on the roof. The alarm clock yells at me every morning. So the yells means crying. The alarm clock crying or daily waking me waking me up every morning in the morning. So in all the sentences, can you see the wind, flower, sun, opportunity, rain is all the non-living thing object has given the human qualities. So guys, you also make more example and practice in your daily life so that you can improve your communication. But before that, don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you.